Are you planning to start a mini importation business? Don't make these common mistakes that could cost you time, money, and success. In this video, I'll guide you through the top 7 mistakes to avoid. Today, I'm sharing insider tips on the biggest pitfalls beginners face and how to avoid them. Watch till the end to ensure your importation journey starts on the right foot. Number 1, choosing the wrong product. Many beginners pick trending products without researching demand or competition. A successful product solves a problem and is in consistent demand. Use tools like Alibaba's hot product research to verify your product choice. Consider doing thorough research in your local market to ensure your product idea is worth the investment. If your budget is so tight, you want to begin with already common but unique products to save on advertising costs. Remember, a product can be already common but still unique with extra features and latest upgrades. These are the products you should go for. Number 2, ignoring supplier verification. Dealing with unreliable suppliers can lead to poor quality goods or even scams. Always check for verified suppliers on Alibaba and read reviews. Request samples before placing large orders to test quality. Don't rush to send money to your supplier's bank account unless you trust them. Otherwise, paying through Alibaba's established payment gateways will guarantee safety for your money. Number 3, underestimating shipping costs. Shipping fees can quickly eat into your profits if you're not careful. Calculate all costs upfront, including customs and taxes in Uganda. Use Alibaba's shipping calculator or ask your freight forwarder for a detailed quote. Learn how to calculate your shipping fee by yourself. Remember, if you're ignorant, they will take advantage of your ignorance. Number 4, not understanding customs regulations. Whichever country you live in, there may be specific import rules for certain products. Even Uganda has specific import rules. Ignoring Uganda's customs requirements can lead to fines or confiscated goods. Take advantage of certain arrangements. For example, in pursuit to boost the economy through agricultural inputs and products in Uganda are import duty-free. But also, learn about prohibited items, required permits, and applicable taxes before shipping. This way, you're certain you'll receive your products and you won't have any issues along the way. Number 5, starting without a budget plan. Jumping in without a clear budget is risky. Factor in product costs, shipping, taxes, and marketing. A realistic budget ensures you don't run out of funds halfway through the process. You don't want to start and stop at the foundation. You need to see it through. Set aside enough money that will cover up all the costs. Number 6, failing to build a marketing strategy. Even the best products won't sell themselves. Plan how you market your goods. Whether through social media ads, influencer collaborations, or word of mouth, a strong strategy sets you apart from competitors. If you can't let people know about your products, no one will place an order. Fortunately for you, advertising should not be scary and expensive. In our masterclass, we teach you effective marketing strategies that cost zero or pennies but guarantee sales. And lastly, number 7, expecting quick profits. Mini importation takes time to grow. Just like any other business, many give up too soon when profits don't come immediately. Stay patient, improve your process, and reinvest your earnings for sustainable growth. Consistency is key in everything you do. If you give up soon, you'll never know how far you would have gone. Consistency is key in everything you do. If you give up soon, you will never know how far you would have gone. If profits are less in the start, don't give up, because that is the true definition of failure. Keep consistent, testing different strategies and growing your market audience, and soon you will thank me. So, starting a mini importation business can be incredibly rewarding, but avoiding these 7 mistakes is crucial for your success. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this one. Peace, see you in the next one.